I know a text, I can understand what there is in the text, I can know the sentences, but when I want to speak, I cannot speak English.
Welcome to English with Sarwan channel.
Well guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Zakim Khan Sarwan, the American English trainer again on Facebook. Well, it has been a very long time since I've been facing a very important and very strange misconception in the students' minds. They say, I know a text, I can understand what there is in the text, I can know the sentences, but when I want to speak, I cannot speak English. And I think that is a very strange misconception. One thing that puts me in doubt is, if you know a word, then you can know a phrase, because the same word can be used in a phrase as well. Then if you know a phrase, then you can know the sentence as well, because the phrase can be used in the sentence. Now the question arises, to my mind, it says, how can't you know when you know a text, how can't you know how to speak? That is a very strange thing, guys. You guys are on the wrong misconception, because you cannot say that I can know a text, but I cannot know what is there being said in the listening. I think that is just a misconception. You guys can know what you know. I mean, if you can know what there is in the reading, you can know what the person says in the video as well. Because English is not different. English you see in the reading, in the English you listen to in the listening, in the English you speak are the same words. For example, I want to say some sentences with my mouth. Then I write down these sentences. So it is only transformed into a writing form. So how can you say that I can know you are writing, but I don't know you are speaking? When you know my writing, then you can know my speaking. If you know both of these things, then you can know what I say in the video as well, because you can catch me what I say. So the question that they say, I can know a text, I can understand what that means, but I cannot know when a person speaks, is a wrong idea. In my opinion, you can know what you know, as I said earlier. And the second thing is, these people have only been trying to memorize English. What do I mean by memorizing English? I mean, these guys have only been memorizing quite a lot of words. They try to mimic people and memorize sentences, but they don't actually come to the idea to learn about collocations and to learn about how to form words together to make them and transform them into phrases, which can easily help them make sentences. And by combining all these sentences in these strategies, for example, you know a phrase, then you bring two phrases together. This can actually make a clause, and by bringing two clauses together, you can make a complex sentence. So by speaking these sentences, your language can be correct and your language can be fluent. So do not try to memorize sentences. Do not try to memorize all these phrases. Try to know the words and know the phrases and the sentences as well, practically. I mean, you have to listen to something that you know. You have to read something that you know. If you can't know, how can you say that I know this? I thought that this could bring a strong misconception among the people who have been asking me. And today I came with the answer to tell you that this is the wrong idea. And never believe that you can read and know a text, but you can't know when somebody speaks. English is not different. So the next time you try to learn English, try to learn it practically and do not use these misconceptions in your learning method. So thank you very much. Inshallah, in the future videos, in my impending videos, I'll give you more tips how to learn and how to improve your English language efficiently and effortlessly. Thank you. Follow for more.